Hi guys, so I'm Jessica from Crescent Moon, and today I'm going to be making Blackpink'S Kimchi Bokkeumbap, which is kimchi fried rice. So from their vlog, it was pretty simple. All they had was rice, pork belly, kimchi, and gochujang. So I'm going to get started by cutting off the pork belly. Okay, so I just cut off a few pieces of pork belly. I think this should be enough because I'm not gonna make that much. But I'm gonna move on to the kimchi next. So in the video, I think it was Jenny and Rose who were chopping the kimchi really finely. Actually, it might have been Jisoo now that I think about it. Okay, so I think all the ingredients are done right now, so let's start cooking. Okay, so I have my pan preheated right now, and I'm gonna first add in the pork belly, and just grind this. And the pork belly that I have is actually really fat, so I don't think I need to put in any oil. Okay, so the pork looks done right now. Next, I'm gonna put in the kimchi. I'll stir that together. Okay, afterwards, let's add in our white rice. And let's mix it all together. And we'll be almost done. Okay, and our final step is the gochujang. One nice twirl. Let's mix it one last time, and I'll plate it. And this is the final result. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!